So here we have C1 and C2 vertebra. This is the atlas and this is the axis, and these are articulated by the dense process. First we will see the atlas. This is how first we will see the sides. This is the anterior side and this is the posterior side, and this is differentiated by the presence of spinous process. The spinous process is present on the posterior side. This is the anterior tubercle, this is the posterior tubercle, this is the posterior arc, so this is the anterior arc. This is the transverse process present on both sides. This is the transverse foramina present on both sides. Then this is the superior articular facet when we see this, and when we see the inferior surface, we see the inferior articular facet. Then we see the axis, which is the C2 vertebra. This is the dense process. This is the apex of dense process, and here we see the articular facet of dense process. Then this is the superior articular facet of C2 axis. This is the transverse foramina. This is the transverse process. This is the lamina, which connects the spinous process to the transverse process. This is the lamina. This is the bifid spinous process, having the bifid direction. And then we see the posterior side. This hole is known as the pedicle. And when we see the vertebral body, this is the annular epiphysis, and this is the intervertebral surface. And this is the vertebral foramen.